No? Probably not. Yep. Uh-oh, watch out! Watch out! Hey, go Will! Go Will! Go Will! Go wait! Okay, you didn't have to fall down. You were doing great. Okay. Make sure you got your skis down below you, right? All right, turn and go. You're doing fine. Don't fall. All right.
See how that works? Good. Hey, you got parallel there.
There you go. You're doing fine. Oh, don't fall.
I noticed when it hurts, where it hurts a little bit. Okay.
Make sure your skis are down. Skis are downhill. Nope, downhill, below you. You're on the wrong side of them. There you go. All right, here we go. Getting up, and you're gonna start sliding as soon as you get up. Good job. Put your feet together. That's it. Big pizza slice. That's it. All the way to the end, Kate. See where Will is? Go right to him. Will, you were rocking it.